Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to make some diamond paintings. I want to play with these beautiful little keychains that I got from newcraftday, and I thought it'd be really fun to make some of them. So I'm gonna be starting off, I think, with maybe the little fox, and get this going. And obviously when I make these, because it takes very long to do it, what I'll do is I'll speed forward the video and just put some music, so hopefully you guys watch this while doing something else and just enjoy the process of seeing me make this little guy. I got a question last time from Elizabeth that was wondering if everything was sticky. So in this case, everything is sticky because there's going to be a diamond painting, a diamond on every single, whoa, I'm not even in frame. There's going to be a diamond on every single little part of him. So that's why in this case it's going to be sticky. But for example, for when I did the other one, which was the wall hanging, big chunk of it were not sticky because they were not covered with diamonds. So yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. guys, so I've done one part of the little keychain. I still have to do the other. I decided to go and do the raccoon at the same time as I was doing the fox because a lot of the colors were the same, so might as well do them both at the same time, whereas in these case there's a lot less of those colors. So once I've done, I'm going to use the few little ones, but there's hardly any, and then I can store the ones away. And there's just a few little twos, and I don't think there's a little bit here, but not much. So basically I'm going to do the other side, and then those will be done. But they are so adorable, so adorable. I really hope that you've enjoyed seeing these being made, and that it inspires you to try it. I really love doing diamond painting. I just find that it's very calming, and I just get into my head, into my zone, and just concentrate on that, and it just takes all the worries and everything away, and it just makes something very blingy and very sparkly and very shiny, which is always fun. At least to me it is. So yeah, so that's it. Go and check out in the description box below the link to these products, as well as the discount code in case you're interested in going shopping for them. They've got newcraftday has amazing items, so for sure you're gonna love what you see. And yeah, so that's it guys. Love you. Bye.